Hey there, everyone. Today, let's dive into something that might seem a little niche, but is actually super interesting. Pumpkin seeds. You know, those little green gems that you might toss aside while carving pumpkins or munch on during a cozy movie night? Well, there's so much more to them than just being a seasonal snack. So, grab a seat, maybe a handful of seeds if you have some, and let's chat about why you should give pumpkin seeds a second thought. First off, let's talk about nutrition. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas as they're sometimes called, are packed with nutrients. Just a small serving can deliver a hefty dose of magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. I mean, who knew? If you're looking to boost your magnesium intake, which is crucial for everything from muscle function to heart health, pumpkin seeds can be a game changer. Just a quarter cup can give you nearly half of your daily needs. So next time you're feeling a little sluggish, maybe reach for some pumpkin seeds instead of that sugary snack. Now, let's get into the health benefits. These little seeds are known for their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are like the superheroes of the nutrition world. They help fight off free radicals in your body, which can lead to chronic diseases. Plus, pumpkin seeds are a great source of healthy fats. They're rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. So, if you're looking to support your mind while snacking, these seeds have got your back. And here's something you might not know. Pumpkin seeds can actually help improve your sleep. That's right. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that your body uses to produce serotonin and melatonin, both of which are key for a good night's rest. So, if you're tossing and turning at night, maybe consider adding some pumpkin seeds to your evening routine. Who knew a little seed could help you catch those Z's? Now, let's not forget about the versatility of pumpkin seeds. You can eat them raw, roasted, salted, or even spiced up with your favorite seasonings. They can be sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or even mixed into your morning oatmeal. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can make pumpkin seed butter. It's a fantastic alternative to peanut butter and has a unique nutty flavor that can elevate your sandwiches or smoothies. Trust me, once you try it, you'll be hooked. But wait, there's more. If you're into sustainability, you'll love this. Pumpkin seeds are often a byproduct of pumpkin production, which means using them helps reduce food waste. Instead of tossing those seeds after carving your Halloween pumpkin, why not roast them up and enjoy them? It's a win-win for your taste buds and the planet. And here's a fun fact. Pumpkin seeds have been enjoyed for thousands of years. They were cultivated by ancient civilizations in the Americas, and even today, they're a staple in many cultures around the world. From Mexico to Eastern Europe, pumpkin seeds are celebrated for their flavor and health benefits. So when you munch on them, you're not just enjoying a snack, you're partaking in a rich history of culinary tradition. So, there you have it. Pumpkin seeds are not just a seasonal treat, but a powerhouse of nutrition, flavor, and versatility. Whether you're snacking on them straight out of the bag, adding them to your favorite recipes, or using them to enhance your health, they're definitely worth a spot in your pantry. Next time you see a pumpkin, remember those seeds are just waiting to shine. Give them a try, and who knows, you might just find your new favorite snack. Thanks for tuning in, and happy snacking!